Our third exploration will cover creating pencil line sketches for watercolor paintings. It's important to remember that these sketches are not just preliminary. The colors and lines work together to create the final beauty. In watercolor painting, the line sketch is a storyteller. Each stroke conveys color and depth through its thickness. Imagine a delicate line bathed in light, suggesting the soft yellows and subtle values within each color. Conversely, a bold line often heralds deeper shades, indigo or charcoal gray, bringing forth an intensity that anchors the painting. In this session, we will explore 4 sketch examples demonstrating watercolor sketching fundamentals. First, we start with a seashell, where the thickness of lines combines with color tones to produce depth. Next, we'll follow the curved contours of the object with your brush to give your piece a lively touch. Our third study features bananas. A clear and concise sketch leads to a clean and uncluttered painting. Lastly, I want to compare 2 techniques: wash on tonal drawing and watercolor paint on a line drawing of a dinosaur. Join me in harnessing the essence of these sketches to elevate your watercolor practice. Then, when starting your sketch, use soft lines as guides to create the basic shape of your subject. Applying more pressure to specific areas and using bolder strokes can create a 3-dimensional effect. To make your drawings more artistic and dynamic, use heavier lines for the shadows and lighter lines for the highlight areas. Lines can be extremely helpful in creating form. By wrapping them around a sphere, you can transform a flat circle into a 3-dimensional shape with depth. This concept can be demonstrated by encircling a simple shape and observing how it changes. Lines aren't just about connecting points, they're about expression. Smooth, serene lines can calm a sea, while sharp, erratic ones evoke a storm. Each line tells a story of texture and movement. Observe as we switch up the line quality across different purposes, setting the scene before we even think about color. Having a well prepared drawing makes painting easier. We will use two dinosaur drawings as inspiration to discover new techniques to bring life to your creations. You will learn how to make your lines dance and swirl across the page. Let's discover how adding a wash to a realistic tonal drawing can enhance your artwork. Tonal drawing, with its intricate shading and tones, creates a three-dimensional effect using only a pencil, providing a solid basis for exploring watercolor techniques. Line drawings are a great way to capture the essence of your subject with bold outlines. While adding color to a tonal masterpiece may be tempting, traditional watercolor wisdom suggests a different approach. Transforming simple strokes into a symphony of color requires skilled blending of hues, transparency, flare, depth, and shadows. Embracing different techniques, you can give your line drawings a unique voice, full of variation, texture, and depth. When you create art, you're not just making something beautiful. You're also creating an immersive experience that visually conveys a deep understanding of form, light, and texture.